it's time to put in the doors. We can get doors from the warehouse, but in this case, I think because the model is already running slowly, I might actually just draw the doors in. Use the arrow, triple click on your model until it is all in blue. Right click, make group. This way, once we do the doors, if we happen to make a mistake, we won't affect our model. If we need to edit the model, select it, right click and explode. And that way, while something is grouped, you can't actually adjust it. So if you're actually drawing shapes onto a shape that isn't grouped, they'll join together in SketchUp. In this case, it will remain separate. What you can do now is actually draw a box on the floor, drag it up. This is going to be our door shape, like a 2400. I'm going to push it in about 50, rotate it around and push it in at 50 on the other side using the push-pull tool. That way it should be 100 mil thick. We can then colour it depending on what door colour we would like. Get any colour that you like, a nice beachy blue. You can actually draw a little rectangle. Fill it with stainless steel colour. And extrude it out of the door, and that way it will look like a nice little modern door handle. If you want to add something like bifold doors, you could definitely get those from the internet. The warehouse, I'm sorry. So go to the triple block. And there's all sorts of bifold doors in there. So you can grab something that you think looks effective. Might grab this one here. Now it's quite tricky to get things from the warehouse into the right position. So the first thing I do is click on the movie theatre, make sure I'm in parallel projection, and I look straight down on my model. And I move whatever it is I'm working with into position with the cross from the top. You can then scale it from the top view using this tool here. So under the cross, the bottom one is the scale tool. Looks like it's disappeared. We'll go to the right hand view. And I'm going to move that up again. So that's what's tricky about getting things from the warehouse. That's, I think, looking pretty good. I might need to move it a little bit further forward. Oops. Make sure I'm selecting the right thing. That should just about do it. There we go, I've put my bifold doors in.